Welcome to day 3 of Investing for Beginners, Graham in simple words. Today, we're talking about inflation, a silent force that affects every rupee you save. Benjamin Graham called inflation one of the biggest hidden dangers for all investors. Inflation simply means that the cost of things rises over time. As prices rise, the value of your money falls. This means your money buys fewer things next year compared to today. Even if you don't spend your money, inflation quietly reduces its power. A 100 rupees note remains 100 rupees physically, but its buying power becomes smaller each year. Many people think keeping money in savings or FD is safe. But if inflation is 6% and your FD gives 5%, you're unknowingly losing 1% every year. This loss is invisible, and that's why it's dangerous. Inflation punishes people who leave their money idle. If your money isn't growing, it's shrinking. This is why saving alone does not create wealth. Benjamin Graham believed that the best protection against inflation is to invest in assets that grow over time, like stocks, bonds, and real assets. Investing helps your money keep pace with inflation. When prices rise, companies also raise prices and profits. That's why stocks grow with inflation. But money kept in savings accounts or FDs does not grow fast enough. Inflation is silent but powerful. If you don't invest, inflation will slowly eat your wealth. If you invest wisely, you protect yourself and grow stronger financially. This was day 3 of our series. Tomorrow in day 4, we explore the 2 types of investors, defensive and enterprising. Don't forget to subscribe and continue your learning journey.